This is what we had done last week, a rearing of silkworms. Okay, this is the female moth. We have wished already, but still again I will wish you. Good morning, all of you, beta. Good morning, all of you. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so good morning, all of you. This is a female moth. Can you see this? This is a female moth. What it does, it lays eggs. What it does, beta? It lays eggs. Can you see this? These are all eggs. These are all eggs. Okay? So female moth lays eggs on the mulberry leaves. These are the eggs. These are the eggs look like. Okay? Okay, beta? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? And from these eggs, the larva comes out. They hatch. And see, you can see all the leaves are being eaten up. The leaves are being eaten up. Can you see this? These are caterpillars, a silkworm. Here also you can see the silkworm making cocoon or they're in pupa stage. And this is how it looks like. These are all cocoons. And inside the cocoon, there's a caterpillar. Okay? Boys, can you hear me? Boys, can you hear me better? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Then keep answering. So this is the life cycle of silk moth. Have you understood this much? See, this is how it looks like. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see the processing of silk. Please one of you start reading better. One of you start reading.
Processing of silk. The cocoon are
Collected.
collected and kept in sunlight,
Kept. Better read properly.
kept
Otherwise, I will
in
ask you to stop.
sunlight or boiled,
Boiled.
boiled or
Exposed.
exposed the steam. The silk fiber separate out. The process of taking out the fibers from the cocoon is called reeling.
Really.
Reeling is done by machine. The silk fibers and then thrown into
Better, there's disturbance in your, I think, in your mic. Please sit with, check your mic, please. The
into the
silk
silk
fibers.
into the silk cloth.
Okay. You know what? These are cocoons. What are they, beta?
Cocoons.
These are cocoons. Now they are collected. Okay. So these cocoons are collected. After they are collected, where it is kept? Sunlight. Boiled or steamed. Why? Why are we doing this? To kill the silkworm. Why are we doing all these things? Either they are dried in the sunlight, or they are boiled in hot water, or they are given steam. Why are we doing so? So the worms, the silkworms inside the cocoon will die. You understand? Hello? Do you understand? Hello? Do you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the silk
Yes.
fibers separate out. Now, this process of separation of silk fibers from cocoon is called as reeling. What it is called, beta?
Reeling.
How it is being done? Machines. After reeling is done, these fibers are made to threads, and then these threads are woven into cloth, silk cloth. Is it clear? This is how the silk is made from the cocoon. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see again the same thing but in a different manner. Let's see what you learn. Reeling of silk. Start. Please start to read. Why do I have to ask you again and again, beta? If you can see the slide on your screen, you have to start reading.
Reeling of silk. The cocoon are collected and
Collected. Be
in
fast, beta.
sunlight or boiled or exposed to steam. The silk fiber separate out. The process of taking out the silk thread from the cocoon is called reeling. Reeling is done by machine.
So this is almost the same. This is what you had read out in the earlier slide. Yes or no? The only difference is it was done in paragraph and this is done in point wise. You understood? This is done in point wise. Can you see these points?
Yes.
That's the only difference. But the matter is the same. Am I right? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Oh, see the reeling of silk. See the cocoons are boiled. Can you see this? Cocoons are boiled. Right? Then steamed. That is boiled. This is boiled and this is steamed. This steamed. And this is boiled. Can you see this? Yes? Then you get this fiber. What you get? Fiber. Then it is made into thread. This is reeling. These are sarees, cloth. Any problem? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Let's see the other steps. Start. Start. Hello, start it. Start to read, better. That's why I'm asking whether you can hear me or not. Because you don't answer me. I'm not getting any reply. Hello? Hello.
Dyeing the silk fiber are the dye in different color.
Continue.
Spinning and weaving. The silk fibers are the
Spun,
spun into thread and
woven,
woven into different types of silk
cloth,
cloth
cloth.
cloth fiber.
It is fiber. Now, dyeing is what? It's a fast color. What is dye? It is a fast color. It does not go. Colors generally you can wash it. Dye you cannot wash it, right? It is fast color. Okay. So the next step is dyeing of the silk with different colors, fast colors. Next step is spinning and weaving. These silk fibers, after coloring, spun into threads. They are made into threads. Fibers are made into threads. Okay? And then it is woven. It is made into different type of silk cloth. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Same thing. You can see over here, they are making cloth. This is called as weaving. What are they doing? They are weaving. And then after they weave, they make the saris or the cloth pieces. Okay? Now we come to know by this slide the uses of silk. Please begin.
Uses of silk. Silk is a costly fiber.
Fabric,
Fabric.
fabric,
Fabric. Silk fiber is used for weaving cloth,
cloth, especially
especially traditional dress in India. Sari, kurta, salwar, and other wedding clothes.
wedding clothes, right? Now silk is very expensive, so it is a costly fabric. All of commoners, like common people, cannot afford it. Remember that common people cannot afford it, but everybody wants to wear it because it is very beautiful. Now, this silk fiber, where do we use it? For making cloth. Weaving means for making cloth. Which one? Traditional dresses in India. For example, what are traditional dresses? We have saris, we have kurtas, shawl, and other clothes especially meant for marriage, the wedding function. Generally, people wear silk clothes during wedding. Yes or no?
Yes.
Don't say like that. Who is it?
No, ma'am. Yes.
Who is it? Who did this?
Muhammad Zakir.
So, Mama Zakib, you have to be careful. Recording is on. I should not be telling you anything.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Now I know.
Read.
Silk had always been prized for its luster and fine quality. The countries which produce silk on a large scale are China, first rank, and India.
Okay. Now, silk was very, very important cloth. Why? For its shine and a very good quality. You feel it very soft. There's a quality of silk. Everybody wants to wear it. Now, it had been prized. What is the meanings? If I have silk, that means I've got an award. I feel that I'm something. That feel you get of having silk in your possession. Now, the countries which are producing silk, obviously, you know that we got silk from China. So, obviously, China is ranked the first. then followed by India. So we are ranked the second in the production of silk. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Clear.
Yes.
Now we have done the
Plant
animal
fiber.
fiber. What was the
Yes.
animal fiber, beta? Just a moment. What was the
Wool
animal
and
fiber?
silk.
Wool and
And silk.
silk. It is over. Now tell me, do you have any problems regarding
No,
No.
bushy and the
Ma'am.
silk moth?
no,
Still we
ma'am.
have time. You can ask me. We have still 5 minutes.
No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
Don't have any problem. We have 5 minutes. Who is this?
Zuki.
But I will remove you. You behave this way.
Read.
Yes. Plant fiber. The common plant fibers are cotton and jute. Cotton is obtained from the fiber of the cotton plant. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant.
Okay. So now we come to plant fibers. That is the fibers that we are getting from plants. Origin is plant. From the plant origin, we get the fibers. That means we are making cloth from the plants. What are they? Cotton and jute. Where do we
Cotton.
get cotton from? We get it from the flower of the cotton plant. So we get cotton from the flower of the cotton plant. Secondly, jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Remember that. So jute we are obtaining from stem and cotton we are obtaining from flower. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Civilized cul- cultivation of cotton.
Now let's see
Cotton
how cotton is cultivated, from where it is, what is the condition to grow cotton, what precautions should be taken, what care should be taken, and what are the ways of getting cloth from cotton. So these are we are going to work in detail. Start with it.
Okay. Cotton is cultivated in black clayey soil. Clayey soil. It needs warm climate. The sowing of cotton crop is done in early spring. Cotton plants are bushy and about 1 to 2 meters tall. The plants start flowering in about 60 days and give whitish yellow flower.
Whitish.
Whitish yellow flower. The flowers turn reddish in a few days. Flowers slowly grow into spherical walnut-like structures. These are called cotton balls. Fibers of cotton grow on these seeds. After some time, green cotton balls turn brown. At maturity, the cotton ball bursts open and the white cotton fiber can be seen.
Fine. Now, what is happening is that which soil is important for cotton? Black clay soil, very fine soil. What sort of condition does it require? Warm climate, that is tropical climate. And when is sowing of this cotton crop is done? Early spring. Now, what is the meaning of spring, beta? Spring comes before summer. What did I say? Now it is summer. Spring comes before summer is gone actually. Now it is coming as rainy season. After rainy season, it will be autumn, and after autumn, it will be winter. You understand? And after winter, it will be spring. So spring comes before summer. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So in early spring, cotton crop is sown. Now, how does it look like? It is bushy. It is not a tree, remember that. It is shrub. It is bushy and just 1 to 2 meters tall. And in about 60 days, that means in 2 months itself, it starts flowering and it gives very white or pale yellow color flowers. After some time, it turns reddish and it becomes round, spherical. And these are called as cotton ball. What are they called as, beta? Cotton ball. And on these seeds, the cotton, the fibers of cotton, they grow on these seeds. First, it is green cotton ball when it is young, then it turns to brown cotton balls. And when it is matured, that means when I have to remove these balls, that means it is ready for harvest. At that time, these cotton balls they burst open. That means they just burst, and out of that we get this white cotton fiber, which is observed. Any problem? Hello? Any problem, Vita? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we come to the end of today's session. It's 15. Check. See the time, Vita.
10:15.
Yeah.
10:15.
So, okay, fine. So I just saw the watch, so that's why I said. So I think we close today's session. I hope you learned something, Vita. Right? Have a good day.